The Joint Entrance Examination, popularly termed as JEE Main, is a computer-based test conducted 4 times this year under the aegis of the National Testing Agency or NTA. This is to secure a seat into any one of the glamorous 23 IITs, 32 NITs, 26 IIITs, and 29 GFTIs. Each year witnesses over 9 lakh candidates combating for a mere 50,822 seats in these esteemed institutes, and the competition seems to intensify year after year. However, like the famous maxim, practice makes a man perfect. A fortified preparation can transcend this Herculean task and make it a more realistic one for you. But if you find yourself batting on a sticky wicket, don't fret. Instead, muster enough courage and actualize your holy grail of being a revolutionary IITian in just 30 days. However, this requires rigorous training, according to Chagari Kaushal Kumar Reddy from Telangana, who scored an incredible 100 for chemistry and a 100 percentile in JEE Main 2020. He indulged in a 4-hour study dedicated exclusively to JEE, concentrating on his forte, which was chemistry. According to him, chemistry holds equal importance as the other 2 subjects, yet is often brushed aside by most students. But his magic bullet in boosting his JEE Main score was made possible through detailed preparation of his favorite subject. Welcome to College Suggest. In this video, we'll tell you everything you need to know about a solid strategy for JEE Main Chemistry. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications on your favorite college details, college comparisons, courses, careers, and more. The 4 attempts bestowed on candidates this year is to look on the bright side. You are never too late, so embrace a crisp study plan and the perfect blend of smart work and hard work. In this way, you can transform chemistry into your stronghold. Be all ears and find out the best tips and tricks for eclipsing into a mastermind in JEE Main Chemistry. The syllabus. Let us now dive into the JEE Main Chemistry syllabus, which is pretty straightforward. It is segregated into 3 major sections, namely physical chemistry, organic chemistry, and inorganic chemistry. The distinct nature of each section demands that the candidate employs divergent approaches to master them. Therefore, it is vital for students to understand the weightage of each section. Physical chemistry holds 36%, organic carries 34%, and inorganic chemistry bears 30%. It is pertinent not to trivialize inorganic chemistry, as its greatest boon is that it is quick and a definite time saver. Exam strategy. While attempting the JEE Main exam, your first best shot should be chemistry, as it entails reduced time. Chemistry should be followed by physics and finally give a poised shot at maths. This swift and sensational strategy of attempting an easy paper first will augment the candidate's confidence. Ideally, one should complete chemistry in the first 45 minutes. This is followed by physics and maths over and done with in an hour each. The candidate can utilize the remaining 15 minutes to review his or her answer sheet. The exceptional trump card in chemistry is that this subject is memory-based. Therefore, if you have a smashing retention capacity, you can swiftly score 100 even in less than a month's preparation. The following is a rough analysis of the questions asked in the chemistry section. Solved examples plus exercises given at the end of the NCERT textbook, 15 to 20 questions. Previous year's question papers, 15 to 20 questions. Fact-based or out of the NCERT, 2 to 5 questions. Physical chemistry. This section bears the loftiest weightage in chemistry at 36%. Physical chemistry primarily comprises chemical and ionic equilibrium, redox, liquid solutions, and electrochemistry. The principal chapters are thermodynamics and chemical kinetics. However, students should note that before beginning to solve the problem, it is essential to study the concepts and improve calculations thoroughly. The following are some of the preparation strategies to master physical chemistry. Read NCERT thoroughly. Make notes of important formulae. Revise the topics from your reference books. Use the formulae in solving problems. Add the extra information that you find in the reference books to your notes. Solve previous year's problems and all other questions that you can gather, and keep practicing and revising simultaneously. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry comprises 34% of JEE main chemistry. General organic chemistry is the most crucial topic in this section, and grasping it is half of your organic chemistry catered for. A student cannot ace organic chemistry without understanding concepts thoroughly. Additionally, students should equally focus on isomerism and reaction mechanisms, SN1, SN2, E1, E2. Studying these concepts will help solve most problems from organic chemistry. Moreover, to actively remember everything required, students should make a long handwritten list of reagents when studying each chapter. In organic chemistry, observing the trend for the past few years, we can infer that inorganic chemistry has the least weightage of about 30%. However, ignoring this subject would be a Himalayan blunder. Important chapters from inorganic chemistry are chemical bonding, coordination compounds, and P-block, specifically from periodic properties. Most questions in inorganic chemistry are directly from NCERT books. Hence, students should focus maximum on NCERT for this section. And the key to success here is to solve the maximum number of questions in the minimum amount of time. Do not close your eyes to the truth. The evolution from clangor to cornerstone includes the chapters biomolecules, polymers, and chemistry in everyday life. The questions from these chapters are direct from NCERT and not complicated. No conceptual knowledge is required here, just laying down of bare facts. The right approach to JEE chemistry. Now, what is indispensable during this meticulous preparation? The concise and compelling nature of NCERT makes it a smash hit for a solid preparation strategy. The trick here is to use the NCERT chemistry book as a bedtime story. This shift in perspective not only makes your study engrossing, but adds a little zest to the whole process by transcending it into a fun-filled novel. However, at the heart of this lively process, the fact remains that your brain retains more information if you are in a stress-free mode. NCERT is simply an anthology of top-notch questions for JEE main. The limiting factor here is the restricted number of questions. Therefore, it is imperative to follow it up with the previous year's question papers. You can employ two methods to start with: a chapter-wise decoding of answers for practice, and attempting the year-wise papers as a test. Test analysis. What can constitute a secure mock test? The finest material is available in the previous year's JEE question papers, apart from the exercises in the books you follow and various online tests made available. Ensure that you give a mock test every Sunday for 3 hours, no matter what your preparation stage. Now, should you be elated about having given the test and then indulge in leisure time? No, as taking up a test analysis is more crucial. Once the test is taken, it is pertinent to take a test analysis. This is self-analysis, fundamental for enhancement. Examine your correct answers and why you got them. It may be because you had a systematic understanding of the concepts, or you examined the options thoroughly, or maybe you guessed. If the latter is the case, it means that you need to strengthen your understanding of concepts. However, it's more critical to examine your incorrect answers. The important question here is, why did you go wrong? Is it because you lacked conceptual knowledge? Was it a silly mistake? Was it a time crunch? Or was it a calculation mistake? A good 6 hours for test analysis is time well spent. Ultimately, you will have your own score sheet, and this will enable you to be cautious about upcoming tests. Trajectory of a chapter. The perfect trajectory of a chapter allows NCERT to be your Bible, while also prioritizing coaching classes that supplement one's theory. This is accompanied by giving in to questions from materials and quality books. Solving tests regularly and revising each chapter is of paramount importance. Chapter-wise revision can be in the form of personal notes from NCERT or even an NCERT summary. However, if you have a creative penchant, you can formulate more inventive and artistic mind maps. Books and materials. Which books promise you an opulence of knowledge in chemistry? The manual prescribed by the government is NCERT, whose online PDFs are available for free on the government website. For an exhaustive practice in mains, there exist certain impeccable books with advanced level exercises. For physical chemistry, there's a book by N. Avasti. For inorganic chemistry, there's a book by V.K. Jaiswal, while for organic chemistry, look out for a book by the author M.S. Chauhan. Now, if you discover that you have a wealth of time, then go for theory supplements. Physical Chemistry by Atkins, Inorganic Chemistry by J.D. Lee, and Organic Chemistry by L.G. Wade. E-learning Android applications like the Khan Academy are among the celebrated resources for the preparation of JEE Main Chemistry. The materials include a myriad of video lectures, mock tests, and study material. The NTA bestows on candidates a plethora of free resources that include video lectures recorded by some reputed IIT professors under the name IIT PAL on YouTube, with more than 100 videos. They also confer on JEE Main aspirants free mock tests on their official website. These mock tests are an exact simulation of the actual examination. So there you have it, all the nitty-gritties in a nutshell. Everything you need to know about an effective strategy to conquer JEE Chemistry. Stay tuned to our channel for much more. While you work towards making your dream a reality, the sole trait that should remain a constant throughout the entire process is to have faith in yourself. Decipher the nuances of the chemistry exam pattern and never play down on the competition. Let your mantra implore you to witness the fierce critic and adversary within you. This means that you identify crucial topics, develop a concrete timetable, and adhere to this religiously. Make sure that you do a plethora of practice tests, write down what you learn, and make a prudent choice of the right study material. What other exam strategies would you like to see? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.